was a warm morning in a quiet corner of a faraway desert. There, in a humble shepherd's village, lived a little boy named Aaron. He was a shy little boy, his voice barely a whisper, but always kind. And by his side were his three loyal companions: a gentle camel showing him resilience, a hard-working donkey, and a playful little lamb. It was Aaron's birthday that sunny day, so his parents presented him with a simple gift, a little drum. At first, he tapped it softly, uncertain, but with growing confidence, everything around him began to change. Then, all of a sudden, the air was filled with loud cheer and laughter. Aaron's dream slipped into the distance as he tumbled right into the heart of a bustling performance. Aaron's heart pounded. Would he be here forever? Then, a warm glow cut through the commotion. The crowd fell silent, and three figures emerged, the wise men. The little drummer boy looked at them in awe as they pointed towards the sky.
They told me a newborn king to see. Our finest gifts we bring her to lay before the king.
خليك مبسوط. ورا الرمقة.
هاي صورة حلوة بني.